I'm Terry from Torque Denver. Let's talk about the relationship between torque and speed in an electric motor driven machine. Let's start out with our motor. In this example, we're going to say we have a 1 horsepower motor, 1800 RPM. That motor is connected through a coupling to a speed reducer. In our case, it's a 5-to-1. Always remember, in a case of any power transmission system, as the speed goes up, the torque goes down. The inverse is true. As the torque goes up, the speed comes down. In our case, and this is a good rule of thumb for estimating systems when you're out on the shop floor. A 1 horsepower motor at 1800 RPM produces approximately 36 inch-pounds of torque, about 3 foot-pounds. So we could do a quick calculation. If we're creating 3 foot-pounds of torque at 1800 and the speed is going down, then we multiply the gear reduction times the motor torque to find the torque at the output of the gearbox. In this case, we have 3 foot-pounds at the motor, we have 5 pound-feet, 5-to-1 ratio, and we end up with 5 times 3 is 15 foot-pounds of torque. We still have 1 horsepower. The horsepower doesn't change. The torque is going to go up and down based on the speed, but the horsepower will remain the same. From here, this, for example, say we have a 2-to-1 chain drive in our system. So the torque at this shaft then would be our 15 foot-pounds here times 2, 30 foot-pounds. For some reason you want to go with a 3-to-1 speed up now. Remember, speed up, torque down. Now we're going to speed up, so our torque is going to come down at that same ratio. If this is a 2-to-1 ratio, we're going to come back and divide this by 2. We'll have 15 foot-pounds. This could be carried through the entire system of your machine, calculating torques at all individual shafts. Good idea if you're rolling over keyways, maybe you're breaking couplings. Take a look at how much power is really being transmitted through that system. It may lead you to the reason you're having trouble with a variety of gear wear, belt, a variety of things. Thank you.